Attention please. Konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna share with you is a basic Japanese language. So if you are new here and interested, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification to be updated on my upcoming videos. Okay? So let's start our lesson. Lesson 1 is the basic greetings. Ohayo. Ohayo. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo is good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu is used to the older people or to the other people not close to you. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa is good afternoon. It is also a greetings of saying hi, hello. Hi and hello is also a konnichiwa. Konbanwa. Konbanwa. Konbanwa is good evening. Sayonara. Sayonara. Sayonara is goodbye. It is a casual way of saying goodbye. But in older person or the bosses or the superior person, a polite way to say "Tsureishimasu." Tsureishimasu. And for your friends, you can say "Jane," "Mata Oyasumi. Oyasumi nasai. Oyasumi is good night. A casual way of saying good night is oyasumi, and oyasumi nasai is the formal way. Arigato. Arigato. Arigato is thank you. It is used also for friends, family members, people close to you. Arigato gozaimasu. Arigato gozaimasu. Arigato gozaimasu is the formal way. Sumimasen. Sumimasen. Sumimasen is excuse me, I'm sorry. Hajimemashite. Hajimemashite. Hajimemashite is nice to meet you. Doso yoroshiku. Doso yoroshiku. Doso yoroshiku is, this is the casual way. The formal way is doso yoroshiku onegai shimasu. You have to put the onegai shimasu. It's the formal and polite way of saying otsukare. Otsukare sama. Otsukare sama desu. Otsukare is for friends or the people close to you. Otsukare sama desu is the polite way. Kyotsukete. Kyotsukete. Kyotsukete is take care, careful or watch out. This is the casual way. Say kyotsukete. And the formal way is kyotsukete kudasai. Kyotsukete kudasai. Ganbatte. Ganbatte kudasai. Ganbatte is good luck. This is the casual way using for friends or close person to you. And ganbatte kudasai is the formal way. That's all for today, guys. I hope that you will learn something today. Learning some Japanese words is also interesting. I hope you enjoy our lesson for today. And thank you for watching. And see you on my next videos. Mata ne!